don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sikukunda 1. I'm joined by Mabuda.
Yes, Tibo kanjani uthiyami?
I'm Nandi Rudman.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, Gazi.
Icame wena kanjani Rudman?
Number 1 forever yellow. Forever. Yeah, this is the best team in the country. I always tell you that this is the best team in the country.
It is.
Ubonile ukuthi manje nasebhentshini sivutsha kanjani?
Yeah, sure.
Sikhipha umlilo sifaka umlilo, sikhipha umlilo sifaka umlilo.
Mkhuthuzi.
Hey. Unabule saleng. Hey. Yabona this year ne? I'm not mad or I'm not confused ne?
Yes.
I-Champions League singayithatha ngosaleng.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
I-Champions League singayithatha ngosaleng.
Tata.
Eshoda ngomuntu ofana nosaleng uSundowns.
Yeah.
Okwazi ukulanda ama-opponent.
1v1.
Akajiki lo muntu ulanda straight.
Yeah.
Akuminus akhade.
Yeah.
Uyayithola usaleng lo.
Yeah.
The best player mfethu.
Yeah.
Bemthitha ngishaya 3-0 ePulukwane.
Yeah.
That's why ngiyamrespecta namanje.
Yeah.
That's why ngifuna la eLoftus.
Yeah.
eSlaughterhouse.
Yeah.
La eLoftus eSlaughterhouse. Hey, Saleng is the best baba. Yeah, but overall asiye gamini. Sundowns idlalile vandag na.
Yeah.
Idlalile vandag. Sidlalele polo eslaziyo. I-identity Sundowns the Shushanin Piano.
Yeah.
The only team ene identity enegama lebhola. I-identity. Sundowns idlala iShushanin Piano.
Yeah.
Phasa nika phasa hasha igoli.
Ayifana team.
Sundowns le. Hayi man, hey, awuyabo lamthuthu man bazokushaya. Bazokushaya. Yeah, but anyway, Sama Sundowns win the league baba. For the 9 times in a row.
Yeah.
We're gonna win it for the 9 times in a row.
Yeah.
Ichi yabona iPirates so ithathe lamase siyusuna 10 times in a row.
Yeah.
But manje singafika u10.
Yeah.
Ayimeka ngani iPirates akeke ilunge. iSundowns is strong baba. So we win 10 times. Sayithatha le nto Sundowns.